Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a special focus on railing planters. And let me tell you, folks, we've got a gem on our hands. Introducing the Apollo Exports International 24 Adjustable Railing Planter in sleek black. Now, what sets this planter apart from the rest? Well, for starters, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you have a chain link, wrought iron, composite, or standard wooden railing, this planter fits like a glove. Plus, its adjustable arms and lower stabilizing foot ensure a perfect fit every time. But wait, there's more. Say goodbye to overwatering or underwatering your plants. This planter features a built-in water reservoir that holds up to 6 cups of water. And thanks to its smart design, only the roots have access to the water, preventing dreaded root rot. Now, let's talk durability. Made with quality materials like wood, wrought iron, and metal, this planter is built to last. And when it comes to assembly, you'll be pleasantly surprised. No complicated instructions here, just simple, straightforward setup that anyone can tackle. So there you have it, folks. The Apollo Exports International 24 Adjustable Railing Planter, the best of the best when it comes to railing planters. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this is one investment you won't regret. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy gardening!